The next heading is Management by Exception. Shortly, we call it as MBE. Management by Exception. What is management by exception? So, management by exception is an employee empowerment and management style, policy, or philosophy where managers intervene only when their employees fail to meet their performance standards or when things go wrong. So, the idea behind it is that management attention will be focused only on those areas in need of actions. If the personnel are performing as expected, the manager will take no actions. So, MPE normally involves substantial delegation by the manager to his team. So, management by exception means managers, the employees fail to meet their performance standard or when the things go wrong means in the time only the management will interfere their activities. That is all. Management by exception. Infection control protocols in intensive care unit ICU. MBE illustrated with example. The MBE is similar to the vital signs monitoring system in hospital critical care unit. When one of the patient's vital sign goes outside the range programmed into the machine, an alarm sounds and staff run to the rescue. So, if the machine is quiet, it is assumed that the patient is stable and they will receive only regular staff attention. If the machines will give some alarm means automatically we know that some critical conditions in that time the staffs will move on there and give necessary treatments. So this is the best examples for management by exception. So meaning of MBA. Management by exception is an important principle of managerial control suggested by the classical writers of management. So it is based on belief that an attempt to control everything results in controlling nothing. So management by exception is a style of business management that focuses on identifying and handling cases that deviate from the norm. For example, the production manager establishes quality control standard wherein 5 defects per 100 units produced are permissible. For production, 5 defects per 100 units are permissible. So long as the number of defects does not exceed 5, the supervisors will handle the problem. Whenever there are more than 5 defects, the matter will be reported to the production manager. In the time, they will deal the problem. So, process of MBE. The management by exception with a general business. By application and a business intelligent application, generally, business exception are cases that deviate the normal behavior in a business process. Poor quality of business rules, malformed data, etc. The process of MBE, identifying. So, primarily, it is necessary to set or norms with predictable or estimated results. So, identifying and specifying key result areas, setting standard and outline permission deviation, comparing actual result with standard, computing and analyzing deviation, then identifying non-permissible, this is critical deviation, then strategizing and taking corrective actions. So the management by exception, deduction, resolution, evaluation, then process improvement. There are just too many development icons to the flag of the most critical exception, please. So management attention will be focused only on those areas in need of actions. Then advantages of MBE. Management by exception provides the following benefits. It saves the time of manager because they deal only with the exceptional matters. So it saves the time of manager because most of the work are done by the subordinates. So it saves the time of managers because they deal only with the exceptional matters. Routine problems are left to subordinates. Second one, it focuses managerial attention on major problems. As a result, there is better utilization of managerial talents and energy. So it focuses on managerial attention, better utilization of managerial talents and energy. Then third one, it facilitates delegation of authority. Top management concentrate on strategic decision and operational decisions are left to the lower levels. So there is increase in span of control. This lead to motivation and development of subordinate. Then fourth one, it is a technique of preparing important or so it is a technique of separating important information from unimportant one. It forces managers to review past history and study related business data for identifying deviation. There is better use of knowledge of trends, history and available business data. So fourth point, it is segregate the important and unimportant separately. Then MPE keeps management alert to opportunities and threat by identifying critical problems. It can avoid uninformed and impulsive actions, introducing alert analysis. If there is anything going beyond their activities or beyond their limit, they give some alert to the management. In the time, management takes some necessary steps. So management by exception keeps management alert to opportunities and threat by identifying critical problems. Then management by exception provide better yardstick for judging result. It is helpful in objectives for performance appraisal. So the management must know their subordinate performance appraisals. So these are the advantages of MBE. So from this lesson, advantages of MBE is a second 5-mark long answer question. So it saves the time of managers. Then a better utilization. Third one, delegation of authority, manager and strategic decision and operational decision. Then separating important information from unimportant one. Then fifth one, management alert by identifying critical problems. Sixth one, management by exception provide better yardstick for judging result. So these are the main advantages of MBE. The next one, disadvantages of MBE. It's a very smallest answer. This is also a 5-mark question. Disadvantages of MBE. The main disadvantage of MBE is only managers have the power over really important decision which can be demotivating for employees at a lower level. So here management, only the managers have the power over really an important decision. The subordinate need not no power to take important decisions which can be demotivating for employees at lower level. Then furthermore, it takes time to pass the issues to managers. Managing employees who deviate from the normal procedures because of complaints, failure and consider difficult to manage and typically find themselves with limited job duties and ultimately dismissed or terminated. So that it takes time to pass the issues to managers. Managing employees who deviate from the normal procedure, because the complaint failures are considered difficult to manage and difficult find themselves. So with limited duties and ultimately dismissed or terminated. So the main two disadvantages, the lower level employees have less power to take important decisions. They are demotivating. Then second, what it will take more time to issue the issue to managers, pass the issues to the managers. These are the disadvantages of MPE. That's all, children. This lesson over. In this lesson, 4 objectives already I given. Then very short answers, 5 questions are given. That is also I given to you. Define MPO. I sent PDF earlier. What are the objectives of MBO? Bring out the meaning of MBE. Mention any 2 advantages of MBO. Then what is known as key KRA, key result areas. Then short answers. Write the features of MBO. What are the process of MBE? Then list out any 3 process of MBO. The long answer. What are the major advantages of MBO? What are the advantages of MBE? Explain the various disadvantages of MBO and discuss the disadvantages of MBE. That's all, children. I'll give the question answer PDF. Take it in your classwork, read and show your classwork immediately. Thank you, children.